What is this?
This is a waste to gas converter. This is a very high temperature reactor that turns all these different kind of waste streams into clean natural gas replacement for power generation, for heating applications, or even for pipeline applications.
How much?
You can't really buy it yet. It's a prototype in R&D company, but we're looking for partners to make this very cheap. This is a special design for developing countries, for islands. So with the right partners, we can make those things very, very cheap. You can put it next to a hotel, next to a school, and there you go.
Okay, thank you.